Hi YouTubers, I am Sanjay again. So good morning. This is my 1998 Mercedes Benz. So excellent condition, everything functional, working properly, so no damage, nothing. So you see it's a condition like 1988. It's like brand new condition, brand new tire, brand new battery. So everything works perfect properly. So this is the sunroof. So 170,000 miles right now. So AC working, heater working, so excellent condition. And you see it's perfect condition, no damage, and very clean inside and out. It's no damage. It's all condition excellent, very clean, and the brand new tire. Current registration 2021 May. You see all condition good with the clean CAR FAX and fully functional. So I'm gonna turn on right now so then you can see smooth engine. It's one time start, it's air condition working properly, so heater working properly, radio working, all fully functional, and the heater working over here. So you can see the heater working very good. It's getting hot. So all the lights working, and this is the sunroof. You can see it's no damage, nothing, fully functional. So I'm gonna sell this car. This is the classic car. I'm planning to sell 4,500. So this is the CAR FAX right here. So original CAR FAX is show up 170 to 16. You can see over here 174 for 446 right now. So it's VIN number over here, a 1988 Mercedes. No accident report, no damage. This is the clean title. So I have a clean title with the current smoke. So you see my last video, I already showed that I got the smoke right there. So just get the smoke. This is the current smoke right there. This is the smoke report. It's everything pass. So here first come first sale. So this is the engine turn off, no noises, one time start, and no problem, nothing. So thank you, and please subscribe my video. So I'm gonna see you with another video, how to buy a car without problem and with yourself. So thank you so much for watching for my video.